This is a brand new 2013 Cadillac ATS. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Features include Cadillac User Experience, an intercooled turbocharger, cruise control, side curtain airbags, air conditioning with automatic climate control, full power accessories, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Thank you for considering Thompson Sales for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. We have been serving the Springfield area since 1919. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 1555 East Independence Street, just off the James River Freeway. We look forward to serving you.